How to reset Goodman furnace. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Goodman furnace is acting up and you need to reset it, today in this video we are going to show you how to do that. So before we start, let's talk about why you might need to reset your Goodman furnace. A blown fuse or a tripped circuit breaker, the furnace has overheated, and there's been a system error or malfunction may be the reasons why you need to reset your furnace. So for that, you need to turn off the power on furnace. So first thing first, for your safety, we will need to turn off the power to the furnace. You can go to your furnace power switch or the circuit breaker, connect to the furnace, and flip the switch to the off position and turn off the breaker to completely cut off the power. After that, go ahead and find out the reset button on your Goodman furnace. It is usually located near the bottom of the furnace at the front panel, but the exact location can vary depending upon your model. So once you see the red button, that is typically the reset button. If you're having trouble finding it, you can just go ahead and press the reset button, and once you have reset the button, simply press it, and you might need to hold the button for about 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a click or see an indicator light turned on. If the button pops out right away, it might indicate that there's a still underlying issue like a tripped limit switch or another malfunction. So you can just reset the button that has been pressed, and it's time to turn the power back on. You can go ahead and flip the switch back to the on position and turn on the circuit breaker back onto the restore power to your furnace. And after everything is powered back up, wait for a few minutes and check to see if your furnace is working properly. And it should start up normally if the reset was successful. And you might hear a fan kick in, and you might also notice a flame ignition. If that's a gas furnace. If the furnace doesn't start working after reset, you can go ahead and check few things like check the thermostat to make sure it is set to the desired temperature. And a clogged air filter can also cause the furnace to overheat and shut down, so check that. And some good furnaces will show an error code on a small display. You can refer to a manual to interpret those codes. Even after that, if the problem persists, you may want to call a professional technician. And that is it. Now you've learned how to reset your Goodman furnace and getting it running again. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home maintenance tips. And if you have got any questions or need more help, you can leave a comment below and we will get back to you.